At Britten, we live where we play. We're packing shipments by day and packing for adventure by night. Here, we all hustle. At work and on the trails. With a backdrop as amazing as Traverse City, we live to grab the wheel. So hold on and enjoy the ride. Because we work where creative minds come together. And play together. Where art is always on the big screen. Where unrolling by day turns into unwinding at night. And variety keeps the work week and weekend even more enjoyable. We help build some of the world's biggest brands right here from Traverse City. Britten, where work is a lot like life.